Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials: a clean vent brush and slightly damp hair so it moves without frizz. Once sectioned, release the first layer and position the brush at a 45-degree angle near the roots. Use short, gentle strokes to detangle and guide hair down the shaft. This reduces pulling and breakage. Make sure to keep tension with your free hand about 1–2 inches from the scalp so the brush glides. Continue until that section runs smooth from root to tip. Now you focus on controlled, repeatable technique. Release a small subsection and hold it taut between fingers. Once done, place the vent brush beneath the hair close to the roots and pull down in steady, short strokes while you follow with a dryer if needed. The vents allow airflow so you can dry faster and set shape. Make sure to use consistent tension. This is why you keep the subsection small. If you need volume, angle the brush slightly away from the scalp and lift as you glide. To finish, run the vent brush through each section with lighter, smoothing passes, and then blast with cool air to lock the style. Once done, use a small amount of product for hold or frizz control and distribute it evenly. Make sure to check the crown and hairline for stray tangles and blend with final passes. If you encounter snagging, stop immediately, untangle with fingers or a wide-tooth comb, inspect the brush for debris or bent teeth, and resume only when.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.